take a look at this example. This is a superposition circuit. So there is two source, which is voltage source 5 volt and then a current source 3 amp. In order to solve using the superposition, you have to consider only one source is activated and then the other source must be terminated. By considering the first effects of the 5 volt source. So this is the circuit for the first step, which is you have to consider the effects of the 5 volt. So you can see that in this circuit, the 5 volt exists in the circuit, but then you have to terminate the current source, which is 3 amp by open circuit. If the circuit consists of current source, in order to terminate the current source, you have to open circuit that current source so that the current cannot flow to that branch. And then finds the I prime as shown in the circuit here by using any method that you already learned previously. So from this circuit, so I choose either nodal or mesh. You can see that if I choose mesh, there is two loop, which is this is the first loop, this will be the second loop, and then there will be three loop. Okay, so mesh is 3 loop, mesh 3 loop. It means that 3 equation. So if I choose nodal, how many nodes? How many essential nodes? So I identify the essential nodes by using the X here. And then groupings the nodes, the X, so that it will become the essential node. So this is one node, second node. This will be the third node. So I choose the node which consists of the most numbers of branch as a ground. So it shows that 3 nodes minus 1 as a ground. So it will become 2. So it means that for a nodal, the equation will be only 2 equation. Therefore, I will choose nodal for solving this circuit. As you can see that in order to solve this circuit using nodal, this is the V1, this is the V2, and then I select these essential nodes as a ground. And then finds the equation for each of the nodes, the KCL equation. So KCL at nodes V1 is equal to V1 minus 5 over 10 plus with V1 over 8 plus with V1 minus V2 over 4 and then equal to 0. So this is the branch for the KCL equation. So and then for the second KCL equation, which is at the second node, 1, 2, and 3 branch. KCL at nodes V2 V2 minus V1 over 4 plus V2 over 4 plus V2 over 2 and then equal to 0. Okay, and then you need to solve this equation or simplify the equation by grouping the equation together. For example, this one, we are grouping the V1 plus 1 over 4 and then plus with V2 which is 1 over 4 and then 5 over 10. Now you have to calculate either the equation is same as the above equations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So should be enough for these equations. And then you need to solve it by using the calculator. The V1s will be 19 over 40 plus V2. 5 per 10. Or you can make it as a 1 over 2. So this will be first equation. And then for the second equations, so V1 minus 1 over 4 plus with V2 groups the equation plus with 1 over 2 and then should be equal to 0. So V1 minus 1 over 4 plus with, okay, this will be V2 once and then equal to 0. This will become equation number 2, and then for the Cramer's, substitute the equation into the matrix and then solve it using the Cramer's. Okay, 19 over 40 is 1 over 4 should be V1 and V2 . Four ones and 0 here. And then by using the calculator, the answer will be 40 over 3, which is 1.212 volt. And for the V2, 10 over 33, which is equal to 0.303 volt. By reference to the circuit, so you need to find the I prime, which is I prime will be V over 8, V1 over 8, which is 1.212 over 8. And then the answer should be 1.212 over 8, 0.1515 M. So you finish the first step and then do the second step, which is consider the effect of 3M source, which is the 3M source will be activated, and then you have to terminate the voltage source here by short circuit. So voltage source should be short circuit. Again, I will choose the nodal in order to find the I double prime here. So KCL at node 2, V2. V1 over 10 plus with V1 over 8 plus with V1 over 4 equal to 0. Sorry. V1 minus V2 equal to 0. So V1, 1 over 10 plus with 1 over 8 plus with 1 over 4 plus V2 minus 1 over 4 equal to 0. The answer will be 40 plus V2 minus 1 over 4 equal to 0. And then KCL at not V2. Sorry. So here is V1 actually. There will be 4 branch, which is V2 minus V1 over 4 minus 3 plus V2 over 4 plus V2 over 2 equal to 0. And then group the equation. 4 plus V2 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 3 1 4 plus V2 1 equal 3. Substitute this equation into the metric form. And then find it using the calculator. V1 will be 20 over 11, which is equal to 1.82 volt. And then for the V2, 30x over 11, which is 3.45 volt. I double prime will be V1 minus, over 8 equal to 1.82 over 8, which is 0.2275 N. So I total will be I prime plus with I double prime, which is 0.1515 plus 0.2275. So the answer will be 0.379 M. So this is the answer for the exercises.